Here are remnants of Hurricane Debby hitting Florida. As you can see, we have lots of rain. It's been raining since last night here. Water's like very deep. Little runoff. As I come up here, you just splash water. It's really fun hydroplaning in this rain, just safely, like speeding through water at 30 miles an hour. It is very fun. It got more from a minute ago, the rain. Here comes the car. Watch this car go through this puddle. A big puddle, as you can see right here. That's how deep the water is actually. My feet is submerged in water. Look at this. It's like I'm in the ocean, basically. Now as they go up, the water runs down because it's the opposite way. And yes, I have an umbrella, so I don't get soaking wet. Just run off. This all broke last night. Yeah, it's better as you go up. And then here we go, in our car going. This is the other side of the road. I'm under trees, so it's gonna drip water down more. Here's another runoff area. It's flooding like crazy. We were under tornado watch last night. We are now, I think. Running off down here to the woods. Just run off over here. This right here is fun. Going through with a car at 30 miles an hour. This here is really fun. I go deeper in the water. That's how deep the water is. Splash, splash in the water. It's flooding. but it gets decreasing here a bit. Yeah, here comes another car. As you can see, the car just pushes the water up in the air. Yeah, thank you for watching the video.